This is the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. I'm obsessed with Dash. I absolutely love how simple it is with 6 egg capacity and the electric egg cooker for hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, omelets, and it's got a really cool auto shut-off feature. This is how simple it is to make the hard-boiled eggs. So easy. My beautiful color is Dream, but there's several other colors you can get with your Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. It's the most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs every time you want them, guaranteed. They're quick, easy, versatile, and it weighs only a pound. It's a really small appliance, so it's not going to take up a huge amount of space on your kitchen countertops, but you can make breakfast really quickly. I just put mine in an ice bath after I do them, and I love that I can make medium boiled eggs, hard boiled eggs, soft boiled eggs. Like, I can pick whichever kind I want. You could also make delicious omelets, poached omelets, soft omelets. I mean, literally to increase my protein, this has been a wonderful way to increase my protein using Dash. Special thank you to Dash for sending me to test out. I really love it.